Let's be honest, nobody reads PDFs anymore. They click them. If your PDF doesn't have links, buttons, or some kind of interactivity, it's basically a digital nap. Today, we are fixing that. You will learn how to make PDFs that people actually want to use. Interactive PDFs aren't just fancy. They are practical. You can create digital brochures, ebooks, manuals, or portfolios that guide readers through content like a website. They are lighter than apps, open everywhere, and don't need coding. And the best part, you already have the tools inside Affinity Layout. Let's use them. Start with hyperlinks. Select any text, or if you have, you can even select object and go to text, interactive, insert hyperlink. You get the pop-up with the 6 options. Let's look 3 main ones. First, a web address. It's URL. You can put whatever website address here, and if you export it and somebody clicks on it, it goes straight to this website. Then the email. Again, you just put your email here, and when somebody clicks on it, it opens your email app and you can send email to this person. And last but not least, the page link. This one jumps to another page in your document. You can also check your text, what you want to make hyperlink with, and then right click, and here is insert hyperlink, and you get the same window to pop open. The good part is that Affinity Layout even lets you link an image, icon or button, not just text. Quick tip: keep link colors consistent, like blue or accent color, and underline them. So let's try it out. I made this test file and I put the first one here. It's page 11. So now let's select it and insert hyperlink, and it should jump to page 11. Okay, and same thing you can do actually with the picture. So let's try to select our picture, right click it, and interactive down here, and insert hyperlink, and let's put page 11 here too. Oh, actually let's put page 15. Oh, sorry, page 15. Okay, was it page 15? Yes, it was page. And we're gonna check them out later. Now, anchors let you jump to specific spot inside your document. Perfect for long manuals or multi-section PDFs. Click where you want the jump to land. So first, let's go where we want it to land. Let's do this one, chapter. Actually, let's do something else. Let's do land here. Select it, go to document, text, interactive, and insert anchor. Let's leave this name land here and click OK. Then create a hyperlink somewhere else that points to that anchor. We can do it here, for example. Anchor. Select it, right click, insert hyperlink, page. This type, change it to anchor, and anchor. It's the same one we did, and name is shown here already, and OK. Now your reader can teleport across your document like a wizard with good UX. If you already created a regular table of content, you are halfway there. Go to text, table of content, insert. When exporting, tick include hyperlinks. Affinity Layout automatically links every entry to each page. You can control which style are included. Just check the boxes next to your heading 1 and 2. And those are here. This means everything that's checked here will be created as a table of content on your page. Resize your table of content frame and style it with your paragraph styles. You can even color code sections for extra flair. Now your table of content isn't just decorative, it's functional. Click, jump, done. Let's make your layout feel like a real app. Use shapes or icons as patterns. And what I mean by that, let's go to vector for a second. Then let's see. Let's take this star and let's go back to layout and let's see where did I put it. Here's object, page 16. Now select your object, right click, scroll down where it's interactive here and insert hyperlink. We don't want it to be anchor, we want it to be page, and it was page 16. And okay. And now on the layers panel, you can rename it so you will understand what it is later, like page button or whatever you like. Now we have done quite many things. It's time to export it. So file, export, export. Right now we're gonna ignore it in our tutorial purposes, but if you're doing client work, be sure to check what's going on here. Now let's choose PDF digital, small size. Then area should be all spreads. Then let's see, include hyperlinks is checked and include bookmarks is checked. That's correct. Then rasterize should be unsupported properties because this keeps text selectable. Then downsample image is checked and it should be 144 dpi. And last but not least, your ICC profile, it's sRGB, and that's correct. This ensures your links work, colors stay bright, and file size stays light. Now, let's actually page preview export when completed. Let's check that so it opens up right away, and export. And let's do, wow, I can't write. Like this and save. And now let's see. Yep, it goes to page 2. Yep, 2 and it's 3. Okay, let's see that one. It goes to page, what page is it? Page 9. That works too. What else did we do? Oh, on this one, anchor lands here and it lands here. That one works too. Next time we'll explore multi-person project e-collaboration, how to keep teamwork from turning into chaos. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it, and remember, your layouts don't just inform, now they interact.